Shannon.
From Sham and Sam.
From Sham and Sam.
We have to make up for lost time.
Well,
Because I haven't had you on video camera. It's just been
I
me.
don't think the people are going to enjoy seeing this on a video.
Yes, they will. This mannequin is checking the other mannequin out. I'm so mature.
She lives in the fairy tale, somewhere too far for us to find. Forgotten the taste and smell of a world that she's left behind. It's all about the exposure, the lens that told her the angles were wrong. Now she's ripping wings off of butterflies. Keep your feet on the ground. When your head's in the clouds, we'll go get your shovel and we'll dig a deep hole to bury the castle, bury the castle. Go get your shovel and we'll dig a deep hole to bury the castle, bury the castle. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba.
Nope, I left it in the store.
Oh, it's so sweaty.
Just got that on there.
What are you doing?
Oh, look!